Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2007 Suzuki GSX-R1000. This bike is in incredible condition with 13,500 miles on it roughly, so it's got a lot of nice accessories on it. So let's take our walk around it. I'll show you what's on it, show you the couple of imperfections I found, and then we'll fire it up for you. This bike has been kept really clean. It comes with HID headlights. It's got a new front tire on it. Comes with adjustable levers. So here's one imperfection I found on it. We've got this little scrape spot on the edge of the middle fairing there. Comes with a tank pad. Here's another little spot. You can kind of see the little hazing spot here. This bike has aftermarket rear sets on it, a full Two Brothers system, a juice box tuner, and a fender eliminator. It also comes with a brand new back tire as well. I did notice this bar end is scuffed up too, but it looks like, I wonder if it came loose. Looks like they tried to put a big wrench on it and tighten it. Which really doesn't make a lot of sense because there's a screw inside of it. Other than those couple of minor imperfections, really a sharp looking motorcycle. 13,442 is what's on it. Set the camera down here. This GSX-R1000 has been through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day 1,000-mile limited warranty, and as long as you own this leader bike from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course more accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.